Hi everyone, hope you're all well. It's Mike here from Mike and Harraway Cars, based down in Weston-super-Mare. Just thought I'd take a moment to walk around this 2013 63 Citroen Berlingo 1.6 HDI Wheelchair Accessible Vehicle we have with us at the moment. So this particular one's only done 9,400 miles from new. So it was converted by GM Coachworks and offers 3 seats plus wheelchair or mobility scooter. It also comes fitted with an electric ramp that the previous owner had fitted last year at a cost of £2,500. I've got an invoice to show you as well, show you all that works. So a little button just there, we just press that. Hopefully you can see that okay. There you go, how it folds the ramp. So a nice feature. So if you find the ramp's going to be a bit heavy. And there you are in the back. I say 2 seats in the front, 1 seat in the rear. That chair in the rear you can fold up, tip up and lift out very easily if you need that little bit more space. And again, it's just to fold the ramp back up. Press the button again. There you have it, all folded back up, nice and easy. So it comes with alloy wheels as well. You have it in the back. There's all the front, I'll show you all that. Again, I should expect for 9,500 miles, it's all nice and clean. This is a 2-owner car. It's ex-Motability. So I sold it to a local gentleman. Sadly, he's had to give up driving, so we've just bought the vehicle back from him. So it does have a full service history with it. Show you up in the driver's side. So it comes with 2 keys. There you go, 9,450 miles. There's all your CD radio. That's a Bluetooth kit for your mobile phone that the gentleman added as well. So all your air conditioning. A little cubby hole there, it's a storage box and front armrests. There you have it. So if that's of interest or you've got any more questions, then please get in touch. So either give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching.